Chair, these are all the housekeeping remarks we have for today. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Heads of government, heads of delegations, colleagues, I would like to extend again a very warm welcome to our peer for this 27th Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting. I hope you enjoyed the opening ceremony this morning. I particularly welcome my colleagues who are attending CHOGM for the first time since having been elected as heads of government. This is a pivotal time for the Commonwealth and beyond. The world faces immense security challenges with conflicts across the Commonwealth and beyond. We are faced with a rising number of climate change-related disasters across the Commonwealth and in many other parts of the world beyond our Commonwealth. We are faced with threats to our energy and security, with some of our peoples at risk of poverty and marginalization due to circumstances beyond their control. It is in this spirit that we need to honestly and candidly discuss how best we can work and support each other in facing these challenges and look towards bettering the lives of our peoples and, most importantly, our young people. I believe this week's deliberations during the forums and side events that have taken place, it has set the tone for a more forward-looking discussion. I would also like to use this opportunity to discuss how the Commonwealth can be renewed and bolstered to support our countries in overcoming pressing challenges. Through practical steps and cooperation, which we shall mandate through the endorsement of the CHOGM communique during tomorrow's closing executive session. The theme of the communique in this CHOGM is One Resilient Common Future, Transforming Our Commonwealth. I invite you all to maintain the critical word resilience front and centre in our deliberations today, and to consider ways in which we, as leaders of diverse nations spanning the globe, can truly come together to bolster the resilience of our ainga or family. I look forward to a constructive discussion today, and I encourage you all to participate in a spirit of dialogue as one would within a family. I now thank representatives of the media for joining the beginning of the meeting, and I would kindly request them to now withdraw. Thank you very much. Where are those guys? Those guys. Thank you. The time available for